you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ellie. Today I'm back with you guys with another Minecraft build. Have you guys ever wondered what would happen if you combined a 1 block high Among Us vent with an Among Us crewmate house? Well, you guys are about to find out in today's video. So for this build, you are going to need purple concrete, purple stained glass, white stained glass, and light blue stained glass. These are the main materials to make this build. And also go ahead and grab some black concrete. I forgot to put that in the clip. And you guys want to stop the video for a second and build what is on the diagram. But I will also be doing a walkthrough of how you are going to build the diagram, like just in case you didn't stop the video then. So you want to start by putting a 5 block long row of purple concrete. You can also use another type of concrete if you want, but for this video I'm just doing an Among Us character. So you want to build what I am doing in the video with this is going to be the leg shape. Now let's build 4 more blocks like that and 4 more blocks right here, and put another block right to the right and 1 to the left at the corner on the other side, and those are going to be the legs of our Among Us house. Now let's kind of make this. Now let's just add 4 blocks to the left side, and now we're going to work on the O2 oxygen tank. Follow what is going on in the video, and there we have it. And to find out the exact amount of blocks on each edge, go ahead and go back to the diagram and build what I am building right now. Okay, so now I'm on the top of the head. Let me go ahead and add 6 blocks of purple concrete, and let me make a diagonal row of 3 blocks, and let's add 1 block right there, 1 block right there, and we are going to get started on the crewmate's face. As I mentioned, I forgot to put the black concrete as one of the main materials at the beginning of the video, so let me just go ahead and grab that, and let's put a column of 3 blocks and 6 blocks in a row like this. Okay, so there we have our base of our Among Us character, and here is the outline of the whole build. Okay, so next we are going to get started on the next part of the build. So let's go ahead and check out what we've built so far, which is the outline of the whole build. And now just dig down 2 blocks like this. Just keep digging down 2 blocks for this whole house. Okay, so you guys want to grab some more purple concrete and just place it on the flooring like this. You need to put 1 layer of purple concrete or whatever other color of concrete you have, and just fill in the whole flooring like so. And now we are done with the flooring. This is what your Among Us character should be looking like so far. And yeah, okay, let's start by making the face of the Among Us character. Just put some light blue stained glass in the corner. You can either put 4 or 3, and you can fill in the rest with white stained glass like shown. And the blue is supposed to make kind of a reflection on the Among Us house's face, Among Us crewmate's face, and it will also be a way to look into the house from the outside. Okay, so now we have our Among Us house like this. This is what it should be looking like right now. Now let's just fill in the top of the O2 tank like this with purple stained glass, and this is what your Among Us character should be looking like right now. Okay, we are going to get into a little bit of decorating now for the inside of the house. Remember that this Remember that this house is only going to be 1 block high and you can actually crawl around in it. I will show you guys how to get into the crawling position later on in the video. Right now we're just making a furnace room. Let's put some blast furnaces and smokers like this. And let's put a blast furnace like that. And remember not to put it 2 blocks high like I did because the house is only going to be 1 block high. Okay, so there we have our kind of a furnace room. Now we just want to place another blast furnace right there. So now we have 3 blast furnaces and 3 smokers. Now we can fill in the top like this. This is going to be the ceiling of the house. Okay, so now you want to put away the furnaces and smokers. Okay, so next you want to grab some other useful items such as anvils, enchantment tables, and other things like crafting benches, a cartography table, a smithing table, and you can put whatever else you want there. Let's put the anvil, enchantment table, and now we will put, and let's destroy the anvil, and I'm going to grab, let me see what I can grab here, and I'm just going to go with a crafting table. Put a crafting table, and you can put a smithing table and a cartography table. Now let's fill in the top with purple concrete. Okay, so there we have it. We have finished the furnace room and an area with a bunch of items and other useful things. So now let's get on with the rest of the decorating. And I'm just going to take a look at what I can do right here, and let me take a look at the different blocks right now. I'm going to make a storage room I'm just going to make a storage room where you can put some meat. Okay, get some campfires and a wooden shovel, and we can make little shelves like this. Okay, so let's just do what I'm doing in the video. And I am also going to put a lantern right here. Just put a lantern right here for lighting because it is going to be really dark in there when we put on the ceiling. Okay, so we finished our storage room. Let me just place the ceiling for this area right now. We are going to make other storage rooms around the house as well using shulker boxes. We just fill in the ceiling, and now let's see what else I can do with this house. I'm going to just add a little wall right here and a hallway. Just like that, and that is what we are going to do. Your house should look like this right now, and let me take a look in my inventory and see what else I can build inside of the house. And we can go ahead and make kind of a mini library with bookshelves and lecterns. So you want to place down a bookshelf like this, 3 blocks, and you can put down a lectern like that, and just put a book and quill right there. And now you want to put some purple concrete blocks as the ceiling. Let's put the last few blocks for the ceiling. And now let me grab more lanterns and to light up the place, and you want to grab a purple and pink carpet to make a checkered carpeting pattern. So let's delete this block, and you want to place down a lantern and just put a carpet right on top of that. And now you want to put another lantern and put purple carpeting and just create a checkered carpeting pattern with purple and pink, as I am doing in the video. So we have a very small checkered pattern carpet, and it also lights up the place because there are lanterns underneath. Now you want to grab some purple shulker boxes. I'm just going to place them like this to make a storage system area, and just fill in the top with purple concrete like this. Now I'm just going to put some more shulker boxes. This is going to be a very nice storage area. And let's just add the ceiling right here. And I'm going to put another carpeting area with the checkered carpet pattern. Okay, so you want to make an aquarium like this actually in the O2 tank. So you can go ahead and do that. Sorry fish for hitting you, but let me just finish up this aquarium. Let me fill in the top of the glass. Okay, the water looks a little bit uneven, so let me just put some water to even that out. And oh no, it looks like the water somehow leaked out of the glass pane, so I just went ahead and fixed that. And I also did a little decorating off camera because it would take way too long if I did it all on camera. So basically you can get into the crawling position and use this as an entrance to put a sign in water and just sprint into it and get into a crawling position. This works on mobile as well, and you can use packed snow like this, top snow, and use it as a staircase. It's really nice because it's one of the only blocks that goes up by pixels, and you can make a bedroom as well. I also go more in depth about the crawling in my vent video, so I will put that in the description below. And now you can get into the walking position by putting water and a sign right there and two signs like that. And yeah, okay, so here is our aquarium area. And over here we have a storage area with item frames as well. And that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Bye!